All right, guys. This is going to be the video for Thursday. The directions. Again, we're just looking at the today's work tab for you online students. That's going to be your big indicator on what you should be doing. Hopefully, you're able to finish the About You slideshow. If not, get that in today and turn that in. Hopefully, you're able to kind of look through the syllabus. It's nothing too fancy, especially most of it's just like classroom rules. If you're an online student, obviously you make your own rules and just kind of the grading. But you already know that, and most of it moving forward. Today we're looking at the extreme ownership uh, piece of things. So let me bring that assignment up for you. Being juniors, and especially being online junior students, I figured this would be a good video clip for you guys to watch. I actually am a grad student in educational leadership, so I've been studying leadership pretty closely for the past 2 years. And one of the biggest groups or organizations that focus on leadership is the Navy SEALs. What a surprise! So this guy right here who writes a book called Extreme Ownership, he was he was a Navy SEAL, and he wrote this book called Extreme Ownership, and it's got some good advice in there. My phone's popping off. It's got some good advice in there to kind of let you know to take ownership and don't make excuses, especially being a student and really just taking ownership of your academics. So the pretty easy assignment. Just watch the video. It's only like 10 minutes long. It's animated, so it's pretty good. And then at the end of it, just write a 7 to 10 sentence paragraph explaining how you'll be taking ownership of your academics throughout this year. And then obviously provide reasons why or how you're going to do it inside your paragraph. And then submit it on Google Classroom. It's worth 10 points. Should be pretty simple, and hopefully you guys can take away some good stuff from it. If you have any questions, email me. It's the best way to do it. I get notifications on my phone, as you guys just heard. So it's the best way to contact me. Have a good one, guys.